Hi guys, what's going on? This is Daniel here with Supreme Tech. In this episode we will be looking at what's on my iPhone. Now, this has been a pretty asked question, so I thought I would grant it and show you what's on my iPhone. So I keep in utilities is pretty stock. My phone is pretty stock on the first page of my application because that's just the way I like to keep it. On the dock you've got the phone, mail, music and Tweetbot. Now Tweetbot has to be one of the best, hands down, one of the best Twitter applications for iOS. It's even came to Mac, so if you want to check that out, well, go do it then. But it's really great. It just looks very professional. It's the UI that takes it, and I do like this indeed. Okay, now we've got Cydia here. This is a jailbreak application. We actually do have a jailbreak folder. We've got just a few applications in there. By default, just to change my fonts, Spring Demise and Winterboard. Social, we've got Facebook, Echo Phone, which is another Twitter client, but I don't really use that. Gmail, which is terrible. Google Plus, hardly use that. Messenger, which is like Facebook Messenger. Flipboard, Skype, and About Me. Camera Plus, and Tech Inform web app, and Dropbox. Okay, in the games, I have Eden, which is terrible. Minecraft, Compass, BMX, Real Racing 2, Angry Birds, Tiger Woods, GTA, SpongeBob, Cut the Rope, and Gang. Okay, now the top applications in this folder would be Gangsta Rio, Minecraft, BMX, and Real Racing 2, and possibly Angry Birds. Okay, and the next folder here is called Apps, and we've got Evernote. So if we just open this application here, this is the best way to keep notes, especially since there is a Windows and Mac version on the desktop. So if you want to write yourself a note, you will get that on your computer. It's good for me since I have a lot of video ideas. I can just type them out. It will synchronize with my phone and iPod and all my other devices and on my computer. So that's great, so I can just copy and paste stuff without emailing it or doing anything like that. Evernote is free and it's a worthwhile trying it out. Okay, our next one here is called Red Laser. Now this is really good if you like to scan barcodes. Now I think I did do a review on this back a while ago. But you just put a barcode there, it'll scan it through Wi-Fi or 3G, and it'll tell you how much the product is. It kind of does save your life if you want to, don't want to ask the man how much it is. We got AirPlay, which is a sort of a company actually asked me to review this, so I haven't really used it that much, but it's like a streaming client, for devices. Photo D, which is like a TV thing for British television. We've got Weather, so this is actually a Weather Plus application, which is just, I like it for the UI. It's sort of bowl looking, which is kind of striking. So we can actually add another location here. We'll type in Japan, just do Japan for the crack. So JAPAN. Okay, there is Joe something in Japan. Okay, so you can see there that it is 1818. Okay, and our next application is TV Catch-Up, which is another British television thing. Epson's iPrint for my printer, Valingo, and Soldier Knows Best, just to keep up to date. Okay, here is my Apple folder. I've got iTunes U, just to keep up with studying and all that good stuff that school brings. Not actually, but anyway, this is iTunes U. We get iBooks, just if you want to read a book. I don't really read books, especially not on my iPhone, but anyway. We've got Airport Utility, Find Friends, just to be the stalker friend. We got Mac Tracker. This is an absolutely amazing application. What it does is you can just find a Mac or Apple product. You can see here the project name, when it was introduced, when it was not in use, and you can just check out everything about it, what software it uses, what hardware it uses, the weight and everything. It's a really good application for all you Apple vintage and modern fans. Okay, photography, Instagram, Flickmac Pro, Photo Effects, iMovie, Chrome, I don't know what it's doing there, and Optic. Now this is a pretty, or is it Diptych? I don't know, I think it's Optic, but anyway, this is a great way for sharing photos with style. All you need to do is just select a layout, take a picture. So I'll just go up here and take birds. Okay, and we'll just use this image. Just let it load. Okay, now we'll go for a bottom image and we'll go angry. Instead of saying Angry Birds, because we don't want copyright, we'll go for bird angry. Okay, and we'll just let this load again. Okay, now we just position them up here because you can see they're half cut off. So there we go, that's pretty good. And birds angry. So now you can actually add effects and everything like that. Whoops. just go here to go to transform. You can actually move that about, but we've already did that, which is, you know, pretty cool. We got effects. If we go up here to the border, we can actually change how thick the border is, what color the border is, and how the, you know, the roundness of the border looks. So, you know, it's pretty cool. You can see there, you know, you want to go for an icon kind of look. You know, it's kind of cool if you have like a picture of you and your friends and you just want to, you know, add them together. It's a really nice effect. And if you're taking a lot of photography on Instagram, you can see there, you can actually send it to Instagram. You know, this is probably an application you want to check out. Okay, and in the more folder is all the applications which I do not use. Well, sometimes use. Spotify, CNN, which is an American thing. And you know, you can just see them here: Icon Project, Face Switch, MQuan, and stuff like that. Sorry, MQuan, don't know why it's there. But there's Randogram. I did a review on that as well, if you want to see it on the channel. So guys, this is what's on my iPhone. If you want to tell me what's on your iPhone, then put a video response to this video. So guys, this is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to thumbs it up. Comment down below if there's any applications I should check out. And if you want to subscribe, you're more than welcome. This was Daniel with Supreme Tech.